Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Wednesday slammed the government over the killing of a Hindu woman teacher in Kulgam, saying Kashmiri pandits are protesting but the BJP is busy celebrating 8 years of Modi government. His remarks come a day after school teacher Renu Bala was gunned down near her school in Jammu and Kashmir's Kulgam by terrorists. Security personnel and civilians are dying in Kashmir and this is the truth and it is not a film, he said. In Kashmir, 15 security personnel have been martyred and 18 civilians have been killed in the last 5 months. Yesterday too, a teacher was murdered, he said in a tweet in Hindi. Kashmiri pandits are sitting on a dharna for the last 18 days, but the BJP is busy celebrating 8 years. Prime Minister Ji, this is not a film but it is the truth of Kashmir today, Gandhi also added.